In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SVG files in PowerPoint. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or just getting started with crafting slides, integrating SVG files can really enhance the visual appeal of your presentations. SVGs, or scalable vector graphics, offer the advantage of retaining their quality regardless of how much you scale them. This is particularly beneficial when you're presenting on different screen sizes or using projectors. Let's dive right in and learn how to seamlessly add SVG files to your PowerPoint slides. To begin, open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have your SVG files ready to go because we're going to jump straight into inserting them. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to your PowerPoint presentation. This could be a new slide deck that you're beginning from scratch or an existing presentation you're looking to enhance. Keeping your content organized and knowing where you want to place your SVG on your slides will make the process smoother. Next, you'll want to locate the toolbar at the top of the PowerPoint window. Here you'll find various tabs that can help you customize your slides. Select the Insert tab. This tab offers a variety of options to insert different types of media, and this is where you'll find the tools necessary to add your SVG files. Moving to this tab might seem like a small step, but it's crucial for unlocking all those design possibilities PowerPoint has to offer. In the Insert tab, look for the Picture option. You'll be tempted to explore, but for our purposes, focus on finding Picture. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with more options. From this menu, choose This Device, which is usually the go-to choice when you're inserting files stored on your computer. Once you've clicked This Device, a File Explorer window will pop up. Now browse through your files to locate your desired SVG file. If you have a lot of files, using the File Search feature can quickly locate your SVG. Once you've found the file, click on it to select it. PowerPoint is quite versatile with files, but ensuring you've clicked the right SVG is essential for keeping your presentation on track. Finally, with your SVG file selected, hit the Open button. PowerPoint will insert the SVG onto your currently selected slide, and voila, your SVG is now part of your presentation. You might notice how crisp and clear it looks. You can adjust its size or move it around on your slide without losing any quality, showcasing one of the great advantages of using SVG files. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted an SVG file into PowerPoint. With these graphics enhancing your presentation, you're well on your way to delivering a visual feast for your audience. Remember, incorporating high-quality visuals can make a big difference in how your information is received. Happy presenting!